So you've all heard the news by now. InfoFi is officially banned from X. They deemed it as AI slop, like we said, and they have blocked all API access from all InfoFi platforms. We saw this coming. The truth was that around 80 to 85% of InfoFi engagement was farms. I personally knew individuals that had thousands of Twitter accounts, and so it was detrimental to projects, to users, and to the overall ecosystem. So we started developing something called ActionFi. ActionFi is one of the products within the Action Model ecosystem, and it's designed to route engagement and usability and functionality towards any project as long as you have a website and an application, a dashboard, some kind of functionality on the internet. Then ActionFi can essentially track it, verify that a human completed those tasks, and then reward the user. This is what we believe is the next stage of Web3 engagement, and it's designed primarily to train the action model, but showing it to projects, they were very, very impressed with it, and they wanted us to essentially enable their platforms onto ActionFi. So here's a super simple demo. You come into the action model dashboard and you've got this ActionFi tab. It is in beta right now. We've been testing it with about 25,000 users already, playing around with the platform, and we've essentially got a leaderboard. We've got about 184 pages right now of projects we're testing out, mainly Web 2 platforms, but we're separating Web 3 at the moment as well. So you'll see a new tab here soon. And each of these platforms, they have their own kind of bounty multiplier. And what this means is if you're using the browser extension, it takes 60 seconds to download it and turn it on, and in the background, you start earning rewards for going onto those websites, right? And those rewards are multiplied by whatever the bounty multiplier is. So we can route traffic across the internet based on the value that it brings us and the action model ecosystem. And then we have individual tasks. So you see I've clicked on coin market cap, and here's a very simple task: search for a specific cryptocurrency and then open its detail page. So here are the actual steps you have to complete. There's 6 steps in total, and these are the success criteria. So each task will be as simple as that. Click start training, and it basically kickstarts the extension, opens up the main page. So here we go. You can see the extension is now running, and it already opened CoinMarketCap for us. So we just click the search bar, type in Bitcoin, for instance, click on that. And that's as simple as this task was, right? And the reason for that is because within this task we wanted to train the model on how to search for things in CoinMarketCap. So because we've done it, we click on finish, and then when we do that, it will open up the action model tab again, and it will show the fact that it's now in review. So AI will basically review this. There's a lot of different metrics that it picks up, and it basically determines whether or not the user completed this task, what accuracy score they had, down to a percentage level, and it either gives you a positive response and passes you, giving you the rewards, or it will reject your action, and it will give you a reason as to why it was rejected. So the rewards you can receive from here are either in the form of LAM, the native token of the action model, it's a utility token that runs the AI, or it can be in stables, or it can be in project tokens. So platforms and projects can actually come onto ActionFi and push users to their platforms to use the functionality. This is the main purpose of ActionFi, right? It's not AI slop and farms tweeting, bots just pushing fake engagement, fake numbers. Projects need real users, and that's exactly what ActionFi does. You can see here this was accepted, and if you want to dive further into it, you can click to see the training history, and it will open up and show you the actual training session that you did. You have all the steps that you undertook as well, so you can click into those and see more about that as well. So it's super simple, as a platform and how it works. As a project, you can put anything on here. There's no integration required whatsoever. And within 5 minutes, you can map out any functionality within your platform and provide the reward to the users, and people will from there onwards start engaging with your platform. And we think that this is the next stage past InfoFi. There's a lot of cool functionality that we have built into this as well. This was a super simple example, just so I could create a quick video that wasn't too lengthy, not a long workflow. But there'll be more videos coming soon. I can show you more functionality. But stay tuned, follow the action model, and try and get early access. We're going to be launching very, very soon.